No, or you wanna come?
Oh no, I'm just filming something. What's up?
You know?
Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jess. I post anything and everything about my life. I'm pretty sure I've spoken about this in previous videos. I am a beta reader, which means I sometimes read authors' work ahead of time and provide feedback to help strengthen their novel before release. I helped with the beta read and I received a package and it is the book and I'm excited to show you. It was one of my most recent beta reads and it's a book called Despair by Ava Rani. If I'm butchering your name, I am sorry, Ava. People butcher my name all the time, so I apologize because I know how it feels. Anywho, let's open this up. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, wait. What is this? The cutest box, what the heck? This is what the inside of the box looks like. This is so pretty. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely using this box. And this ribbon is so cute. Oh my gosh. Modesty is for the mediocre. I love this sticker. And then a card that says Jess. Love and thanks. Jessica, I am a sucker for a good handwritten note, so I wanted to make sure I sent you one. I love handwritten notes as well. Writing this book was an act of courage I never expected from myself. Your support was early, ongoing, and vital. I cannot fully express my gratitude for welcoming me to the bookish community. I expect I'll be seeing amazing things from you, and I can't wait. Cheers to the next chapter. All the love, Ava. Look at that. That's so cute. I love it. Now on to the book. Oh my gosh. Despair by Ava Rani. Wow. To actually hold the physical book, oh my goodness. I'm so proud of Ava. Okay. So this is the book, Despair, by Ava Rani. It's Biotech Billionaires, Book 1. Let's read the back of the book, shall we? Marcus. They call me the biotech wonderkind, or the cold billionaire with a tragic past. Controlled, focused, and always a step ahead. I built my seemingly limitless success by pushing boundaries, but never crossing them. There's no obstacle too difficult to overcome, and no situation is too complex to maneuver around. But after years away, coming home and seeing Salone is a complication I can't manage. She makes my mind wander to places it shouldn't, making me want things I can't have. She's a forbidden temptation that may crack the defenses I've spent years building. And then, Salone. My lot in life is to be the spare to a less than worthy heir, constantly living in second place. Relegated to the society pages instead of the business section, I'm determined to make a name for myself. A 6-month assignment in London will do just that. I'll secure my position as the youngest senior partner at my firm and prove to my family that I was the choice they mistakenly ignored. My eyes are firmly fixed on the prize, until Marcus sweeps back into my life. My older brother's best friend turned greatest business rival ignites something in me that I can't ignore. He maintains a facade of cool indifference, but his eyes tell a different story. One that threatens to set our lives alight. Oh my god, I love it. Look at the interior. Hold on. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so pretty. I love that. Aww. Oh my gosh. It says, Jessica, this book wouldn't have happened without you. And there's one last thing I want to check out, which is the acknowledgements page. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, hello? Like a paragraph? Excuse me? Excuse me? To Jessica Rita Rampersad. I cannot wait to see you. Bonjour. Hello.
You wanna call?
I didn't call you.
No, or you wanna call?
Oh no, I'm just filming something. What's up?
You know?
Yeah. Okay, I'm coming.
Did you see how nice that set it up for you?
Yeah.
You will start transition over there.
Okay. always during the worst times. Okay, I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. Okay, so I had to call up my mom, and then my dad asked me to come cook with him, so I had to go do that. So it might have been a second on camera, but it's been 2 hours off camera. Anyways, we're getting to the best part, one of the best parts of this video, which is the acknowledgement section. It's crazy to think that my name is in the book. And I mean, I've had my name in acknowledgements before. I had like Jess, and then I had Jess Karita Rampersad, and then I had my full name as a copyright. But this is a full paragraph for my name. I mean, like, dedicated to me in this book. What? I'm shook. Okay, I'm rambling. We need to keep moving forward. Okay, to Jess Karita Rampersad, you have to be one of the sweetest people I've met during this process. Your thoughts and suggestions for the story were amazing, but you are the star. I cannot wait to see what you do with your many talents. You are truly one of a kind. Oh my gosh! Ava, you're the sweetest, and that meant a lot to me, and oh my gosh. Fun fact, I'm beta reading the second book in the series right now, and I'm having such a great time. I'm about halfway through, and it's so good, and I cannot wait for everyone to read it, and I'm so proud of Ava. If you haven't read The Spare, definitely check it out. I will link it in the description below. Thank you again, Ava, for having me on board as your beta reader. Thank you for sending me the cutest card and the funniest sticker. I love it so much. Thank you for just being such a gem and so welcoming and super kind, and again for having me on board as a beta reader, because this was one of the best opportunities, and I am so grateful and honored to be on your beta team. With that being said, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, anything you want. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out Ava. I will link all her links in the description below. Until next time, I'll see you later.